Understanding, dearly missed, an English language explainer. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common yet poignant phrase in the English language. Dearly missed. This phrase is often used in emotional contexts, and understanding its nuances can greatly enhance your English comprehension and expression. Dearly missed is a phrase composed of two words, dearly and missed. Let's break down each word for a better understanding. Dearly. This adverb enhances the word that follows it. It originates from the word dear, which means beloved or valued highly. When we say dearly, it intensifies the feeling, indicating a deep, heartfelt emotion. Missed. This is the past participle of the verb miss. In this context, miss means to feel the absence of someone or something, often leading to sadness or longing. Dearly missed is frequently used in emotional and respectful contexts, especially when referring to someone who has passed away or something that is no longer present but fondly remembered. Here are some examples. In remembrance, my grandmother, a kind soul, is dearly missed by all of us. Reflecting on the past, the days of childhood are dearly missed. In writing, you might come across this phrase in literature, songs, or even in personal letters. The phrase carries significant emotional weight. It conveys a sense of deep loss and affection. Understanding these cultural and emotional undertones is crucial for English learners to use the phrase appropriately and empathetically. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of dearly missed. Remember, it's a phrase that carries a lot of emotions and is used in contexts of remembrance and respect. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master the nuances of these heartfelt expressions in English. See you in the next video.